In today's video, I get to show you how I record my videos like this one, or attain shots like this one, using nothing but a broken Infinix phone and some lights tied in a basin. Oh yeah. So today I'm using the selfie camera because I wanted to get you guys behind the scenes, just to let you know how I film my videos. Now it's not a secret that all my equipment got stolen some time back. Everything of mine gone in 60 seconds. And this was the challenge because you see, at the end of the day, we need videos to continue rolling on this channel, and definitely we couldn't just give up and say, you know what, we are done with the whole channel, because I believe we're just beginning. So those that have subscribed, thank you. If you have not yet subscribed, now would be a very good time. So let's start by analyzing how I film these videos. To start with, my background. I had to adjust my background because previously I've been experimenting so many backgrounds, but I had to adjust with one because the kind of camera I'm using right now is my phone. Now my phone doesn't do very well with bright backgrounds and so many colors in the back. That's why I ended up going with black, as you can see. So we have lots of black in the background, and that is basically how to confuse it. Now, camera, like I've said, is my phone. The phone I'm using, nothing fancy. It is an Infinix. Yes, you had it right. It's an Infinix. In particular, it's an Infinix Note 8i. Yes, I'm just going to throw the specs up here somewhere. So these are the specifications of the phone that I'm using. It's an Infinix Note 8i, and I normally use the back camera, but for today I'm using the selfie camera, just so that I can monitor myself as I talk to you. So that is camera. So because all my camera equipment was taken, man, it was my media bag, and it had everything, like everything, lights, microphones, everything went in that bag. Anyways, now we're done camera. I'm definitely using my phone, so that is the Infinix Note 8i. In terms of audio, I have this small lapel mic. So I had so many types of microphones in that bag that was stolen. I had my power device microphone, the lapel, the single one. Then I had another power device interview kit, that is one which is 2 mics in one. Then I had my Sennheiser wireless microphones that I had just gotten off the internet. And then also there were my friend's mic. Let me see. There were these the Moment C ones, also wireless microphones. Now these incidentally belong to my friend. He had just imported them. As you can see, the boxes new. I was still testing them out for him, and they were also stolen. Good. Anyways, so lots of memories in that back wall. Of course, there's the other boxes that I just had to get rid of. Now, for instance, the one that my cameras came in, gone. The one that had so many things that were stolen, so many boxes I had to, discard because they were just giving me bad memories. But anyways, as of now, just some of them remaining there. So microphone-wise, I got this lapel mic off somebody on Gigi, who was selling these cheap Chinese microphones. Actually, to be very honest with you, he sold it at 20,000 Uganda shillings. Now, it was a very short mic with a very short wire, but I needed one that could, stretch fast. So I had to come and DIY it. I don't know if you can see that, some tape over there. Yes, I added on another cable. Yeah, just to make it way longer, so that, in case I am really far out, I can still be able to get sound to my phone, because I'm using my phone. Of course, the plug is TRRS pin. If you're wondering what that is, there's a video about that somewhere here. Okay, so that is picture, that is audio. Lighting. As usual, this channel, if you're an added follower of this channel, we love DIY in this particular case. So lighting, I have a floodlight, my basin light, and another light which is a panel light. Now let me just show you this here, one moment. So this here is the basin light. It's just a very huge basin with a bulb in the middle and lots of this. Actually, this isn't even foil paper. This is actually gift wrapping paper turned the other way around and then stuck to the basin. Up there we have, this is a floodlight, ordinary floodlights like the ones you find outside in the building, those outbuilding kind of floodlights. So that is one of them, and all I've done is just wrap a little piece of cloth around it just to kind of diffuse the light. And then to the side here, I don't know if you can see that is a panel light. Now these panel lights are easily available within Kampala. Let's just put this back here. They're easily available in Kampala. If you go looking through, these guys who sell lights, that is they're normally for the ceiling, those who do gypsum and what, yeah, that's these panel lights. Now thing is, I went with warm, so this one is a warm light, that's also a warm light, and then this is the normal white light. Why I did that is I tried to balance out, being a phone camera, it's not very good at picking up white balance things and whatnot, and when I use only white light, it makes me look too black. When I use only yellow light, it makes me look very Carolite. So I had to strike a balance in between the two, and that is it. So that is it for lighting. Oh, and for lighting, I had almost forgotten, I have one more tiny light up here. Let me just see if I can get you. That there is another DIY spotlight. Basically just a pipe, ordinary plastic pipe that I cut and then stuffed a bulb inside it. Now what that does is it, as you can see that there, it flashes the light onto my head. Flashes the lights, onto my head. So it's not giving me this little, I don't know if you can see that shiny bit over there. It's what's giving me that. But of course, also that does some bit of light at the back here to separate me from the background. Otherwise, I'll just be blending into the background. Yes, that covers, I think, the main thing. So this is how I now film these videos, because at the end of the day, we have got to continue moving despite the setbacks that we face. So that major setback, the things that were stolen from me, I'm still feeling the pain and the pinch of it. My camera was in there, another friend's camera was in there, a client's camera was in there. So roughly they took about 3 cameras, and all of them really powerful cameras. And then there were microphones, lighting, my laptop was in there, hard drives. Literally they set me back to zero, and it's just now that I can confidently come out and talk about it. Previously, each time I talk about it, to be honest, I would be crying by now, because the money that just went in that bag. But anyways, we'll always rebuild, and we'll always try to make sure we deliver quality content to you, our viewers, as much as possible with what we have. So the time to get inspiration all of a sudden. To you out there, let's just balance this. Come on. Good. So to you out there, you want to start a YouTube channel and you're like, yo, all I have is my phone, and you're like, I don't have equipment, I don't have all this fancy stuff. One, pick your niche, pick what you're going to be talking about, and then use what you have. It does not matter what it is, just use what you have and deliver the best that you can. Like right now, I'm still using my phone, an Infinix. If it was an iPhone, people would be like, oh, it's an iPhone. It's an Infinix. Infinix, if you're out there, let's talk. Let's talk. So it's an Infinix phone I'm using. I'm using a Beson of a light, ordinary light you can always buy anywhere within Kampala. My background, I made it myself. Basically, it is just black material. I went to the clothing store, these guys who sell material in rolls, and just bought a few meters of black cloth, pinned that on the wall with nails. And then this here I made it myself. This was a DIY project, just pieces of wood that I patched together. And then also this here was also another DIY project. Actually, this is a pallet, these shipping pallets. I turned it the other way around and then hooked up some of them and just pinned them to make a slated wall over there. So it's really as simple as that. You don't necessarily need all these fancy things and what to get started. So that's my bit of inspiration to you. If you're just starting, start with whatever you have. If you had started and managed to get some things and then you got set back, don't give up, because you just keep pushing, and whatever it is that was taken will always come back tenfold. I actually look forward to hopefully one day replacing my cameras, because I had just gotten those cameras. I was beginning to get a couple of deals with some people to shoot their documentaries, shoot some background things here and there. Some work had started coming in, and also I was beginning to rebuild my filming space because I wanted to deliver the best possible content for you, the viewers. But then we had that setback. But well, those that still watch my videos, thank you, Kubanga. To be honest, you guys drive me, so a big thank you and a big thank you. If you've not subscribed, go hit the subscribe button, because we have a lot in store, a lot packed, a lot planned out to come in the near future. So you just want to make sure you're part of the family already. But well, enough ranting for today. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like more videos about DIY tech and everything within that space in Uganda, particularly, I always emphasize in Uganda because I'm Ugandan and I want to create content that resonates with the people that are actually watching me. If you're watching me from outside Uganda, thank you so much. I hope you do get to enjoy my videos. Leave a comment in the section. Let me know where you're watching my videos from. It actually just helps me know how far my reach is, and also so that I can tailor make things that kind of suit you who is watching me. But as for now, subscribe, notification bell so that you don't miss out any new videos that do drop on this channel. For now, adios. See you in the next video. Bye bye.